Hi, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Today we're going to design this online forum landing page hero section right over here. My name is Kavish Pesan. For those of you that is your first time coming across my channel, right? So I'm a UX UI designer guy. Reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and UX audits. And guys, let's get into this. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let's go. Let's start off here, guys, with F-frame. F-frame. Here we go. Now, talk session dot. Then you select the color over there, because we want to select different colors. So we select each part of the sentence that we want. This one is another one. Leave it in white, and then the dot, change the color over here. Now we're going for the menu. Home, copy paste, features, copy paste, blog, copy paste, contact, copy paste, about us. Actually swap these around. Let's just get features there, contact over there, blogs almost last, features. There we go. Cool. Now select these guys over here, unbold them, put them in like 16 or even 18. I think 18 is okay. Okay, some of them. And then now R for rectangle. There we go. Now T for text. Build your best community starting from here. Let's give it like a 80. Make it bold. Now T for text again. Meet and communicate with the best people to run projects, events, or other activities in a more effective and fun way. There we go. Let's make this light. Stay over there. Let's try 24. 24 is okay. And for this design, we're just gonna use the same font throughout the whole design. Now right click, I, then T for text, get started. Then right over there, Then here next to it, learn more. Select all, Command/Control U for underline, and let's get our icon right over there. Let's ungroup this. I just need the icon to put it right there. Right? Cool. Now let's get these designs over there. Let me show you guys how to do this. So what happens here? You get your icon. Oh, let me just put it on a frame so that you can see what I'm talking about. R for rectangle. Get your icons. Bring it to front. This one is white, but then you reduce the opacity. That's why it's see-through like that. I'm going to try 20. Let's check which one this one. It's at 25, yeah? Close, 25. And then what do we do after that? Round those corners. And then T for text. Build community. And then same thing here. Let's just copy this. I'm sure you guys actually just need the icon. Center back. Put this one in the middle. Copy paste. Copy there. Delete this one. Get the icon, copy paste, put it there. Now for the plus part, text, share events. Get information. Get information. Right? Cool. No, not cool, nothing. Let's fix this. Cool. Got it, guys? You may be wondering, how do you design something like this? Let me show you guys. So for example, an icon is separated by a lot of things. One of the things that they separated by is by like these dots that they have them here, right? This is what it's called a vector, right? So there's vector, 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 vector. So what do? This is a separate vector, and then this is a separate color for the vector. That's how you do it. Literally, that's how you do it. Let me get an example so that you guys can see. Let me get a plugin. Okay, now you see, let's just use fill. You see, it's different. That's how you do it. And then the other part, you can even select different parts to have different colors. Right. Hope you understand. Cool. Now, let's get our images here. How do you get an image like that? Let me just show you guys something. Let's use Unsplash as a plugin for images. Let's use Unsplash. Portrait. Let's get this guy. Cool. So what do? Let's just put here R for rectangle so that you guys can see how to use the images over there. All right, perfect. So you get this image of this guy. Make sure you use it accordingly. I'll put something like that over there like that, and then right click, send it to back, and then the object, the rectangle must be in the front, the object or the image must be at the back, right? So you select both of them, you right click, use image as mask. Oops, sorry, the other way around, the other way around, the other way around, like that. Select, right click, use as mask, and it does something like this. Then you adjust the borders, of course. In this case, it's like 30, something like that, right? How do you do those circles there? It's literally just a circle. Remove the fill, add a white stroke. Just make them big. That's how you do that. And then for the other one, make sure you reduce it. It gives you something like that. You can even make it a semi-circle. It's much easier that way too. Right. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode. I really appreciate your time. Reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and your UX audits. My name is Carlos Pesan. For those of you that it's your first time, and there will be many more episodes to come. My contacts are right down below. Reach out to me. We can book a consultation, and then we can figure things out. See you next time.